Hey, Lando. Welcome to the DoubleTree by Hilton Yas Island. We got some work to do today, and you're with me all day. So let's get cracking.
Really?
Oh, yes. All right, Lando. I got all these towels for you.
Yep.
You gotta roll them nice, tight, and firm. No.
Boom.
Not like that. No shortcuts here.
I've nailed it, look. Perfect triangle.
All right, Lando, careful. Good start, but please don't damage the equipment. Okay. Slow and steady wins the race.
I'm pretty much done. You're just slow. Afternoon. Got your coconut, I think. Here you go, no problem. I got your green slime juice. I think this one's for me.
We got one more task to do. Floaties.
Float what?
Floaties. Time to blow some floaties.
What?
Lando Norris.
Lando Norris?
Formula One. You don't watch Formula
No,
One?
no idea här about it.
Okay, Lando.